Elon Musk under fire today after endorsing an anti-Semitic post on X. Deirdre Bosa has more on the fallout today in today's Tech Check. Hi, Dee.
Hey, good morning, Carl. So, as a lot of our audience knows, Elon Musk is no stranger to many divisive cultural and social issues, immigration, gender politics, even conspiracies. The latest, however, endorsing an anti-Semitic post is raising the question, has he finally gone too far? Now, the White House now speaking out, condemning the language that he used. The blowback has been notable for how swift it's been, but also perhaps notable for how limited it's been as well. Now, let's discuss the first bucket. Investors and brands. Gary Black, a Tesla investor, posted on X, quote, Elon Musk has to stop the anti-Semitic remarks before he damages the Tesla brand. I want to believe the CEO's attitudes and Tesla brand equity are not linked, but my common sense tells me otherwise. However, Black did appear on our air last hour, and he seemed to walk back that statement. Now, another investor on Last Call. Take a listen.
None of his actions are for the benefit of Tesla at this moment. It's all about Twitter and what he can tweet and how many people he can piss off. He actually thinks in his weird world that the things he says matters. But what he's really doing is destroying everything he's built.
Tesla, of course, is at the center of Musk's empire and arguably has the most to lose. But for Twitter or X, Musk's comment could be deepening its already precarious situation. IBM has stopped advertising on X after a report said that its ads were appearing alongside Nazi content. Comcast, our parent company, said that it's looking into the matter, and we'll see who else could follow suit here. But there's another angle to this that I mentioned at the top, and that is Musk's ability to avoid even greater blowback, what would be completely damaging to any other CEO or brand. Now, while Tesla shares, they were lower yesterday, it's not moving much today, and it is still one of the best performing stocks of the year. Billionaires like Bill Ackman and Mark Rowan, who came on our network to fuel an Ivy League donor revolt on the rise of anti-Semitic activity, will they start to speak out? We haven't heard from them yet. Guys, I would also just like to add that it's easier to be an iconoclast if you don't have a consumer brand or shareholders. There are many outspoken business leaders, investors here in San Francisco and in tech. Mark Andreessen, Keith Raboy, Peter Thiel. The key difference is that these are private investors. Elon Musk is, of course, a brand in and of himself. His companies operate in the public markets and among public consumers, so it will be interesting to see if those consumers start to act. At this time is going to be different.